Welcome to Car Culture Club, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels. Today we take a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Sienta, a compact MPV that continues to blend practicality with style and innovation. If you're searching for a family-friendly vehicle that doesn't compromise on efficiency or modern tech, the Sienta might be your next ride. Let's dive into what makes this new model stand out. The 2025 Toyota Sienta retains its familiar compact body, making it perfect for urban driving, while offering impressive interior space thanks to clever packaging and design. It's built on Toyota's TNGA-B platform, ensuring a low center of gravity, better handling, and enhanced safety. The exterior design is slightly refreshed, with smooth curves, a clean silhouette, and LED lighting that adds a touch of sophistication. Sliding rear doors make entry and exit effortless, especially in tight parking spots or when loading kids and cargo. Under the hood, the Sienta offers two main powertrain options. There's a 1.5-liter three-cylinder petrol engine paired with a CVT for smooth city driving and fuel efficiency. For eco-conscious buyers, the hybrid version combines the same petrol engine with Toyota's latest hybrid system, delivering better mileage and lower emissions. The hybrid setup not only improves efficiency but also offers a quieter and more responsive drive, perfect for both city traffic and longer journeys. Inside, the 2025 Sienta is all about comfort and functionality. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for a car of its size, accommodating up to 7 passengers with its 3-row seating configuration. The interior layout has been refined with user-friendly controls, a high-mounted infotainment touchscreen, and quality materials that give a premium feel. The seats are designed with comfort in mind and can be folded in multiple ways to maximize cargo space when needed. Technology is another highlight of the Sienta. It comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and multiple USB ports for device connectivity. Depending on the trim, buyers can also enjoy features like wireless charging, climate control with rear vents, and advanced driver assistance systems. Safety remains a strong point for Toyota, and the 2025 Sienta is no exception. It includes Toyota Safety Sense as standard across all variants. This suite features pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams, making the Sienta one of the safest options in its segment. For families, commuters, or anyone who values practicality with a hint of fun, the 2025 Toyota Sienta ticks a lot of boxes. Its combination of space, efficiency, and modern features makes it an appealing choice in the compact MPV market. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or heading out on a weekend trip, the Sienta offers a well-rounded package that's